Alright, right now we're going to go over the software that comes with the Game Capture HD made by Elgato. I bought mine off of Amazon.com for under a couple $100. Supposedly it's one of the best HDMI recorders out there for gaming. So I'm going to show you the software. I downloaded it off their website, which is provided on the box. There's a link that's included on a card. Currently it's version 1.0, which means hopefully they come out with a better one sometime soon. You know, it's not that there's anything wrong with this, but obviously as new ones come out, there'll be new features, and the software should update accordingly. So this is what it looks like when you load it. Very simple settings on the side. When you first turn it on, it's going to activate the device, which is in this section here. Because mine was already running, it was pretty quick load up. But on your capture settings, you can choose a couple things for your settings. Clicking on the top left, this little cogwheel right here, your preferences can choose where you want the video recordings to go, basically where you want to store the file format, and what share devices you want to be able to upload it to once it's done. Unchecking these just unclutters your desktop, and that's basically it. It's not anything crazy. You can always go back and add these if you are missing a link that you need. So going to the home page, you can see that I can change the title of the video I want to record, change the tags, whatever you want. And it actually gets better than this, because if I click the info button right here, that little eye in the corner, I can get even more descriptive with it. And this does work really well. I already uploaded a video to YouTube, and everything populates automatically, so it does save you a lot of time. The good news is, I'll get into this later, but you can actually change the tags once you're complete by clicking down here. So even if you created a recording and you weren't happy with what you wrote, or you made a typo that you caught later, you can always modify it. And of course you can modify it on YouTube's website itself once it's uploaded. So going into this setting, this is important because this is where you're going to choose your quality. I'm obviously using an Xbox 360. It even converts and displays the stats that I currently have, or the statistics as far as the file format goes, image quality, stuff like that. Because I don't want huge YouTube files, I'm setting it just for HD 720. For most viewers on YouTube, that's more than enough, and you know, some people don't use the 1080 anyway. So if you're trying to save storage space on your computer, by all means. Obviously, you know, you can play around with it and see what you like. As far as the quality goes, you're recording it, you can always compress it later and go to a lower quality, so you might as well record it in best, provided you have the hard drive space. Going to a lower quality will be a little more grainy and pixelated, but it'll also give you a lot more recording time. Once you've uploaded, of course, you can delete files anyway, and it's no big deal. Down here, this picture adjustment is not for the software you see on the screen. It's actually for the device output to your main monitor, which you can't see currently. I found that the contrast is somewhat diminished on the output. That's the only critique I have of this device. So playing around with these settings got my balance back closer to how it looked without going through the box itself. But you should note that your picture quality will go down a little bit once using this device. The good news is image lag does not change. It's very responsive. I'm playing on a screen with 0 filtering right now for response rate, and it's perfect. I didn't notice anything at all. So not many devices give you that kind of capture capability without impeding on your performance for the game itself. So we're going to load a game real quick, just to kind of mess around with the controls. I want to show you something cool. Let's see here. As you can tell, one thing that is already happening is called time shift. So depending on where you were on the video, you can actually pull it back. I'll pick a gun real quick and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm running around right now. Let's say I'm not recording at the moment and I did something really cool. Now nothing really cool is going to happen. I'm playing by myself, so I guess the only thing cool would be me killing myself. If I just did something awesome and I regret not recording it, I can simply go grab this slider right here, drag it back to that awesome scene, hit the record button, and it just recorded that snapshot automatically. So I picked up where I left off. Now I'm recording live. So from the time I hit the record button to the current live state is what's been recorded so far. I can hit the stop button, go into edit, and my most recent video that I just recorded is right there. Now, let's see. I threw the grenade. That's all fine. That was embarrassing, so let's say I don't like that part. I can click this field here with the scissors, create kind of a before and after. I'm going to attempt to create a cut mark. So now I got rid of this scene by highlighting it after I created a new block, if you will. I can hit the delete button and that scene's gone. And there goes the embarrassment, and I can still look really cool in front of my friends because I didn't flashbang myself. Obviously I meant to do that, but you get the idea. So once I'm satisfied with the video, I can again, like I said, edit the tags, change whatever I want, and then when I'm done, I can even click just the YouTube button, which came from those icons up here earlier. I hit YouTube. It's going to post on the website that you're currently watching this video on, where I can again last minute changes to my descriptions, tags, whatever I need. And when I hit upload, I might as well upload it, I can delete it. You're going to see in the bottom right corner that it's processing the video. If you have a fast computer, it's going to convert this file very quickly. Once that's done, you're at the mercy of your upload speed. So currently it's uploading on the network in 720p. If you go into your YouTube account later, you will be able to watch it. Now one thing that's really cool is I've already uploaded a couple videos. So if I click on this, this is my library of pre-recorded videos that I've already made, which I can obviously watch and then edit again if I wasn't satisfied with the upload. But if I click this little YouTube link, it actually takes me to the web page that it uploaded to, which is awesome. So I think that was kind of cool. It does simplify things. Instead of searching on multiple pages, you can really use this program for almost anything. I can even zoom out on this time lapse here if I recorded a lot of video and I want to get more detail or less detail. So this program's great. It's simple. It's really all you need. But again, you know, I'm looking forward to see what updates they come out with, make it even better. So give it a shot. It's definitely worth it. I've seen other devices and nothing's really compared to this quality and ease of setup. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email or respond to the video and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks guys.